Okay, this is how to use SafeSend mobile app. Okay, these are the features. Under settings, we have the dark mode, we have the push notification, we have the clear cache, we have the privacy policy, we have the share, moderators, more apps about us. So please, you can share this mobile app to your friends to use for their for sending confidential information to their friends. Now, let's get started. We'll click on initiate now. Type your message here. Let's say I want to send a username to someone. Say test. Then password. Okay, so if I want the receiver to put in a password to access the message, I'll put something here, something very, very short, or just something random. Just to, it could be a word, a complete word, you know, just to make it more secured, right? So when you type in your passphrase, please share it to your receiver as well, so that they will be able to access your message. Then you can set the expiration period. You can set it to 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 day. So in this case, I'm going to set it to 1 minute. You can also set it to a year, 365 days, All right, so 1 minute. Then once you're done filling out the details, you can click on generate link, and your link will be generated. So you can share it directly to your friends by clicking on the WhatsApp button. You can share it via email address. You can share via Twitter. You can share via copying the link. So you can just copy the link, then send it to your friend on chat. So your friend will be able to access the link once or twice, right? So if you're putting a passphrase, ensure you send it to your friend as well. If you're not putting a passphrase, then there's no need to share any passphrase, because your friend will access the your message without any password, right? So that's how to use it.